Continued freshness of appreciation, in addition, means that kada gani makita mo mga tao nga bisag makakita ra simple nga flower pero maka-appreciate na siya na kita sige na kita flower pero dili fresh ang atong appreciation na nangabutang. So ingon ini ni mga self-actualized people. And next to that, okay, they have peak experiences. They have peak experiences in the sense that mura sila mag-exotic experience kana ganing murag makalimot sila when they experience something. Mura sila ibayaw sa kapunaw-punawan sa dihang makita nila na. So naana sila peak experiences ang mga self-actualized people. And that's just that they have this sense of Gemeinschaftsgefühl. When we speak about this, Gemeinschaftsgefühl is a German word, which means Gefühl der Verbundenheit mit den Menschen in einer Gemeinschaft. What do we mean by that? Ang mga tao nga self-actualized, they have the sense of the social good. Kang unsay makaayo sa community, mao na ilang pilion over sa unsay makaayo sa ilang kaugalingon. Thus, Gemeinschaftsgefühl. Ang U dira is the umlaut letter of the German language, which is pronounced as U. Gahi nga U. And next is that profound interpersonal relations. Profound kayo, grabe kayo na ilang interpersonal relations. Nindot silang makipaghalubilo sa ubang tao. Dili na sila magsigdali nga kung makita sila tao nga ilahang masinati sa kinabuhi. They meet each other as if they already meet them before. Next is that the character structure of self-actualizing people are that of democratic. They have the sense of society. They have the sense of whatever are the demands of the community. Sumana sila ang other kinaiya. And that they have the discrimination between the means and the ends. What do you mean by the discrimination of the two? Kana they know how to distinguish one from the other. Ang means, ang ends. Kung unsa lang purpose, kung sa unsang pamaagi ilang kuhaon ang ilang purpose. And next is that they have a philosophical sense of humor. Siaw sila, but not the siaw of kay kalagmitan nato, especially those who are not self-actualized. Lagmitan kay green joke, mag-joke sila for the sake of joking nga ganahan sila mapasiaw ra kay ganahan sila ma-feed ang ilang ego. So on the other hand, the philosophical sense of humor of the self-actualizing people are those which could help other people also. Next is that they are creative. Dili sila dull nga mahimog mga butang, dili naive, dili mediocre. They are creative in every sense. Dili sila magsigbalik-balik lang unsa ilang ganang buhaton, kundi ang ilahang they always do something in a creative way. And next is that they resist enculturation. Enculturation means nga kanaganing mga tao nga moingon nga kung unsay naa mao na jud na, kung unsay nain kulturaha mao na jud kulturaha, and they tend to universalize it. So ang mga tao nga self-actualized are those people who resist this kind of mindset nga para nila they are detached to the particular culture, not antisocial, but that they tend to understand nga kining kulturaha din is really different from the culture of other people, and that I have my search of my own. I have a search of my own. And they resist to this enculturation kay mao man gud lagmit kung unsay atong kultura mao man makapahamper nato sa ato ang pagtubo as a self-actualized people. And sometimes gani ang kultura mao'y makapapugong nato sa ato ang mga goals sa kinabuhi. So for self-actualized people, they resist really enculturation. That is, the over-particularization of culture. Na kung unsay nain kultura ha, mao na ni dapat sundon sa uban. They are not blind obedient as that. Now let us deal with love, sex, and relationship, and self-actualization. Unsay relasyon sa love, sex, especially as a characteristic of self-actualized people. They are under the categories of B values, or the being values, the values of the self-actualized, and the D values, the deficiency values of those who are not actualized. For B love, being love, as a value of the actualized. The love of a self-actualized person is not harmful, delikado. He allows lover to be relaxed, so dili suffocating. That love is open for the possibilities, and that love is non-secretive. Daghang sekreto nga naigipang tago-tago nga mga motivation. On the other hand, the love is very conditional. Kana gani, nahigugma ko nimo kay, mahigugma lang ko nimo kung. That's a very conditional love, as opposed to the being love, the value B values. Love as a B value of the self-actualized person. Next is that sex. Para sa mga non-actualized, their sex are dominating them and controlling them. Compulsion na nila na ilang sex. But on the other hand, for the actualized, sex is a mystical experience. They enjoy it, but not dominated by it. So, now I advise you to, if you want to be loved, or if you are considering married life, maybe just look for those people who have these B values instead of those who have deficiency values. Okay, next, Maslow's psychology and philosophy of science. Mo ni atong tan-aon sa Maslow karon. Integral to his theory of self-actualization. Ang iyang panan-aw sa psychology ug sa science, parte dyan na sa iyang theory of self-actualization. Kita nakadungog naman taon sa self-actualization para niya. So integral ana ang Maslow nga philosophy of science and his psychology. And that he agrees Alport's study of the individual, less on the study of large group. Para ni Maslow, mas maayo mo-study ka a particular group, a small group, kaysa mo-study ka og dinagkong mga butang. Kaya managlahi man dyan ng mga kung mas dako ang grupo kung imong studyhan, mas less ang possibility sa efficiency sa imong study.